Hello, in this video I'll show you how to display page content using the ARMember IF shortcode. This is the IF shortcode documentation page. I will provide the link to this page in the video description. This is the user meta shortcode section, where you can display content based on user meta values. ARMember requires a form field meta key and value. This is an example. Using check_user_meta, it checks whether the user has a nickname meta field. If the value is John, the content inside this section will be displayed. Otherwise, it will not be shown. Now, let's create a live example. Go to the ARMember Manage Forms page. This is the ARMember Manage Forms page. Now, edit the profile form. This is the Edit Profile page. I have already added a radio field. Click the Settings icon and copy the meta key. After setting everything, save all the changes and create a new page. Here you can see the list of pages. Create a new page or edit an existing one. I have already created a page for this example. As you can see, I have created an example using shortcodes. Let's look at the first shortcode. Here, I have used the same meta key in both shortcodes. Next is the value. I have set different values in two separate shortcodes. If the user selects yoga, the first block will be displayed. If meditation is selected, the second block will be shown. Here, I have defined the meta key, followed by the value, and then the operator. Now, save all the changes and go to the front end. This is the Member Profile page. Now, open the Edit Profile tab. This is the Edit Profile form. Select a value for What Are You Interested In? And click the Update Profile button. The member profile has been updated. Now, open the shortcode page. Here, you can see the yoga-related content. Now, go back to the Edit Profile tab. Change the value and click the Update Profile button. The member profile has been updated. Now, return to the shortcode page. Here, you can see the meditation-related content. In this way, you can display content based on multiple fields. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.